What's up? Welcome to Thursday afternoon video, my people. What's up? Welcome back. Boy, people, as you can see me outside and look behind me, see the breadfruit tree? A lot of movements. So you know what that means. The place is a bit windy because I got a little break from the weather because as you can see, the two videos yesterday is indoor. And normally when the rain fall, that's what I got to do. I'm for going at the fall cook, but most of the time when it catch me right here, so we're going at the fall cook. You understand? Thank God me have one little pig pen over my head and me have one fall cook can go in. Some of them I will are lot and I have not even matches box or cigarette box going. So the weather pattern change, people. Not saying the weather is over because as I say, the forecast project weather for the whole of the rest of the week from Tuesday until the weekend. But what happened, the pattern has changed. And I realize it now because I kind of study them because something, you know. You have to study them because something, you know, people. It not always work, but it works sometimes in a, you know, study it. For Tuesday and Wednesday that the rain fall, which is Tuesday and yesterday, the rain did not fall in the morning. The rain started fall about 10 o'clock. And it fall for 3-4 hours. Alright? What happened now? This morning when I wake up before, I never did sleep. I just get up to come out. And I did come out to come see if beer alright and give him something to mumble with. Because at night time when me mumble, he have to mumble too, you know. Yes man, I say stay. So I come out and give him something for mumble pan. You know, the 3 o'clock before day. And I realize rain a fall. And I say, wow. And up to 5-6 o'clock this morning, the rain were falling. So basically, the pattern has changed. So instead of you'd have got the rain in at the 10 o'clock bells up to 2-3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, if not all 5, I know only get that. So at this minute, because the rain fall from that time of the early part of the morning up to that time, that's why we get that break here. But look for the rain start falling in another 2 hours. So basically that's why I said the weather pattern change. Yeah man, you have to study them because something there. As a little person who want to run up, go do your business and so, and rain and fall on a constant basic, you study the pattern of the weather for the first 2 days to see how it fall. Yes. Remember now, just like the weatherman in forecast the weather, it can change. Because at the end of the day, a Father God. Alright? Anyway, you know what to do? It is so easy. Just remember, so easy. And remember all of you people out there who are silent watchers, because once you're not commenting, you know, that don't mean you're not a supporter, you know, but you're a silent watcher. But guess what? Me and the people in the comment can't know you. And people in the comment who has been registered as a supporter might come after you. But there is someone who comment consistently. So you get to see them name in the comment, so you know, yes, they support. You might be here 2 years, 1.5 years, 1 year before them, but you not comment, but you support every video. But how will I know? How will they know to identify it? As you can see, sometimes give away the Planka Boss program, and it's all about the people in the comment. Some of you people genuinely support the platform and support Planka Nation, you know. But guess what happened now? You no comment on is a secret watcher. So when you do comment and say or 1 time or 2 times, that is not enough. So when you comment now and you want to qualify, if you say like win a ticket then. Planka, you know that name yeah? No. When you could have did it long before some of them. But what? What qualifies you is for you to be in the comment section on a regular basis. And as I say, you don't have to really comment negative or bad or anything towards the topic if you don't want to get entangled, or the name get entangled. But as me say over here, so me say you can just put an emoji. See Jen Sayers there, Jen Sayers. I recognize Jen Sayers since I've said that from X time by sending her hearts each time. So that makes she know a registered supporter. Until me come with the slang now and I say so easy. You can just simply put so easy. By you typing each time you watch a video now, me know say you're a supporter. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Bless up. And remember now, you don't know what to do as me say. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. That's what give the channel a revenue, so I can, at the end of the month, take something from my little bit, and if my little 1 and 2 people them send one little sitting, we'll put it together, and we'll buy a little bickle, and put in a sitting, and give one needy somebody. Whereas, as me say, is the last part of the way they call it now, the storm season. We should be the weather season where we get a lot of rains. Enough of these people sometimes they have to come out on the roadside, come hustle a dollar. They might not get an opportunity to do so because of the weather, and if they even brave it and come out, they might not see nobody if beg nothing. And if they even see somebody if beg something, the somebody are run about them business to get out of the rain. You understand? So we're there for the needy and not the greedy. So watch the ads. It support the channel. Alright, I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy. When you see her videos also out when she was a part of the donation of the give back to the Towel Basic School, where she delivered her rice and her bag of chicken and stuff. So when you see what we are talking about, people like these who want support. You understand? Yeah man, people like these who want support. Full time for we stop. You see one little entertainer in your community are going good. I sing out some positive music, and you not give him no lift, you not give him no noise, you not give him no support. But as Jay-Z and Chris Brown and you name the big artists them come, you not go borrow a loan. Yeah man, you not go borrow a loan for go watch them. Them done big and have it already. What happened to the youth who have come up? We want to reach a status, probably not as big as them, but reach somewhere. We have something to offer also and just want some support. And this is how we stay overall. I don't know if people in general stay so, because I'm not a traveler to say I travel around the world and I know how people stay. I have to talk for Jamaicans. This is how we Jamaicans stay. We would have run into the big name people then we they've not look upon we. Not even an autograph or handshake we can't get. And the little small man we are trying. Although some of the small man them, you know, when they reach up there, you know, them figure out them a come from to, you know, me not lie to you. But at the same time, we could play our role in supporting them to get somewhere once we see say they are doing something of worth. Because we're not going to support no bullshit around here. Once them do something of worth, and them contribute to society in whatever small, medium size or big way they can, let us give them that support. If it's a support they want from us, let us give them in whatever capacity we can give them it and offer them. And in this case, all you need to do is just hit the subscription button. When they drop a video, you just watch the video and like the video. If the ads come, well, they are not getting the ads now because they are not a monetized channel. Just before I do this video, I see where they have 880 subscribers, need 120 more. You know, plus they need that 400 watch hours, but I can't control that 400 watch hours. Is what they put out now and give you people to watch. Is going to gain them that 400 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours. You understand? And it's not easy. It comes with content. But I can help them by asking you as my supporters to go over there and support them. Alright? Bless upon yourself. I remember Charms and Trends. One of you do the one that me see make the donation on our video. If you don't go on our video yet, Live with Gabby and Chevy, you can go on the channel and watch our video. And a video like that, as I said in a previous video, supposed to rack up. If you're a small channel that you even monetize, video like this supposed to boost the channel. But it only can boost the channel by uno and support. And these are needs and cause that we need uno to come out and support also. By watching the video and like the video. A video like this for a small channel that not even monetized yet should have rake up even 1,000 views. And even 200 or 300 likes. Because we know not everybody will go watch it, I go like it. Or everybody I go support as like that. People might just go through and see, yeah. Scrollers might just go through and see, pass through us. You understand? So, want to support, man. I remember Charms and Trends, as me say. You can find them on Instagram, charm_and_trends. And the website is charmedandtrends.shop. Alright? Just support, man. That's all we are begging now. Each one help one in whatever way we can help. If we don't have $1 to give, we can give a prayer, we give a prayer. You understand? If we can't able to send $50 come help somebody, we can send $10. Send it, man. Send it. Now watch out and say $10. The only way that you really look bad unless you go Western Union for $10. Because we don't lie, but I feel shame about Western Union collect $10. But if you have a way where you can send it to Cash App or Zelle, send it. If I have $5, it will work, man. As me telling you, if 1,000 somebody send $5, just check how much money that. It can help and do something. It just coming like you want to build one house. And you sit down and say, right, this house here. If you build this house here, it's going to take me $15 million. You don't have the $15 million readily. But say you have $3 million where you can start with. And you know you have the capability of working towards continuously build and add on and put on. Come on. Take $2 million out of where you have put on and start. Come out of the foundation and go as far as you can go. Work towards and finish, put on with your little thing, little. You're frightened within 6 years, 5 years, even less too, based on how your earnings come in. You finish your dream house. You finish what you had planned to do. But you sit down and do have the money readily, you say, boy, you sit down and wait upon it. It will never happen sometime. Very few. And I learned that. What me say? I learned that. Alright? Anyway, come here, you nasty mouth, filthy mouth, dirty body Marcia. Come here. You see all uno? That's what I'm saying right now. Certain things where I am not with. When me up on social media and see people come at you, people like you with these things, I will endorse it despite I am not with it. Imagine you come out here, you cuss Portlander, you cuss everybody. And you see this young miss latest do her video with her son's birthday and whatsoever. And you took to your platform with your normal saying, say, your money. Me never know, say, you own YouTube. Me never know, say, you own YouTube. And remember, YouTube money is not the owner for YouTube money. We work the money for YouTube get it. YouTube take whatever take from it and send our own come. YouTube owner not going in pocket and pay us. You understand? We, the creators of the content, gain the money from to YouTube from advertisers and stuff. So YouTube can able to pay them staff and see a profit. And you come out here every day and talk about your US dollar and your content and this. This young miss keep her child birthday party. And you come out here. You're not only styling the woman for nothing at all. You're not only cussing the woman for nothing at all. But you drag the lady child into it. You understand? And you half make family with all kind of, I don't even want, because I don't want the people who have kids or family in a disposition to feel any way less. But let us say it, you half make family where you have. Where there is so much fault with, you don't see it, but you come out here. I involve the woman like a child and I style the little baby. Because that's a baby. That's not even a teenager. You understand? As a matter of fact, that's not even a young man. Because teenager are where you breed up. Roach. Somebody even want to use the word teenager. Are you more likely to have teenager? And your grandson and your son has nobody come out here and say nothing. If them never not say nothing too bad. But them just refer your grandson and your son into what them a say. You take offense to it and you feel as if, okay, you're being disrespectful and them a drag your pitney and you roamy in it. Who is roamy? Roamy more than nobody pitney out here. Me can't talk, you know. And nobody can fly up my chest about me and involve pitney, you know. Because you was the first one to involve my kids. Where you never yet see on social media. And I say you're a little toddler, you're a little waddler, grandson on social media. And I never yet disrespect him. I never even disrespect your son before, which is a big man. until you come off of me and my picnic them. More than one time, not just one, not just two. And you continue to do this, but when people come off of you and your picnic and your grand picnic, you feel as if, oh, them gone too far. And you have the little skirmish them. We sit down and only see when me or she or him do it, but them not see when you do it. Both your followers and both people who claim to say, okay, they are neutral, they are just watching and being entertained. They always just lucky to come on social media when me say it, latest say it, Chin say it, or XYZ say it. But they are never lucky to come on social media when you are doing it. So them sit wherever them sit. Whether in them office, them workplace, them yard, them toilet, them bathroom. And them come and them try to chastise us. Where them only lucky if you hear us say it at all times about your kids. I don't dwell much about your kids. But as me say, this one you hurt me. This one you hurt me. Because the trait of you is in your grandchild. Just as well in your pitney, it's in your grand pitney too. Yeah man, the full trait of you, Curly, is in your son. And it passes on to your grand pitney. You understand that you also see it? You understand? But you come out here for people pitney. If you are latest a deal with nothing or you want to cuss latest, you know cuss latest man and left the woman pitney out of it. Oh, you know say social media money give the woman her money. She not have a baby father, she not have a family. She not have relatives, she not have friends. And what if a social media money give her it? She sit down and she just write one letter or one note or one text to social media, to YouTube, and them send money come give her. She not have to sit down on her life in minutes and hours to create her content. She not have to sit down on her phone and do her video to create her content. Stand up in her kitchen on Sunday, create her content. Just like how you come out here, come create content off and nothing at all. Nonsense. Sucking this, that Kisco, this lollipop, this and soursop, this. Why you grudge people who is achieving? Because you are not achieving and you figure like more you are big, you are so big out here for how much years, you should be achieving more than what you are achieving. So because you judge the people them views, the people them likes, you tell yourself that they are earning more than you, because when you look on the liquor where you are earn, and that make you being this jealous person of people out here. But at the same time, you're not realizing that it's not about you. It's not about your name. It's not about your content, whether we are bringing it or not. It's about the support that we have garnered because of being respectful. Away from, at times we might get out of our shell, our supporters do understand that. But we are not people who come out here on a day-to-day basis and tell people suck this, suck that, lollipop, Kisco, all kind of sitting like a downtown there in the market district as sell. People wanna listen. And it's not just about latest and our child, but this is the main reason why I'm doing this video. And it is more like to the back end of the video. So no just stay tuned and listen. Don't go nowhere.
Me a carrying down the police station. Me scream record and people scream record and say they come get me. Me make sure say me a carry down the police station. Because first of all, me don't know no. Una wicked. So I plan for kill me off. When me I go tell you say una must fine. Because me make sure say anytime I go to the police station, me I tell the police.
My people, that was the wrong insert. My apology. So I'll get the right one. That was a wrong recording. That recording was from yesterday's video. So the right one is here, and remember now, beware. Make sure you have this clear stone when you can go so. So let me just have a cut out the first part because the same sucker me I talk about that hit the video started. Oh, not only this, wanna come when me see me. So I wanna prepare for it, because I got the all through the video. Me can't wanna cut out when me can cut out. Alright? Stay tuned.
I'm in live hard for Connecticut. Anyone who wanna bomb a pussy clot want meet up Marcia. Me ready for any day. Just tell me which part for me to know. I will be right there.
big coward, you know.
Anyone I
Me
wanna
can't
big
tell say you're a big coward. That's somebody like to see somebody prank you.
stinking cunt.
Would I really like to see somebody prank you?
Me I want come fight me. Just tell me which part in the blood clot there. I see me meet you. That's all. My sister. Yep. That's all. Cause we only have mouths behind camera. That'll make you feel.
I be a nosy have you not have no mouth, man.
Walk on a blood clot money, have a man in a blood clot man. Come in a man, man. My man work. So I take off a man, man. Move fire with no blood clot, stress out self. And I me telling you, you gotta take up responsibility. Oh, no can blood clot afford. And I me telling you that. I know me telling us if you go stretch out the blood clot count and go have picnic for different man. When I go take up man with a man, no. And I me telling us, if you go run back a friend go bail house, oh, no can blood clot afford. And I me telling you, if you go buy a car, oh, no can't afford. I save up my money, my partner money, and Uncle Sam, Corona money. When I get a week time for my tax, that work in unemployment, I hit me use and buy my vehicle with my partner money. 28 blood clot $1,000 cash. It was 32,000 feet. And the man give it to me for 28,000 bargain him. One blood clot, nice piece of nice Toyota Highlander limited edition, full bit.
When on a resale value, one nice Toyota Highlander when on a resale value. Me tell you already. Because Jamaica, them use it as a little dump hub. Probably right now, no other country in the Caribbean won't accept that. But probably if you try Jamaica, they may accept it. But guess who I go buy it? Funeral home. Yeah, the funeral home them. Because of them old vehicles, the avalanche, them and them type of old vehicles that them are buy now and use them for draw a chariot. Yes, man. Them there. So how do you know place you can't get that sale right now? That not a resale value where you have boast about. My little old car have more resale value than your car where you have. As big as you feel like a big vehicle you drive, that was then after pass. Most of them the big vehicle. Right now you can get a BMW, you can walk in a car mart and get a BMW for 2 million, 3 million. And it's just the same as a Mark X, where it's not a big name car despite a Toyota make it. Because you have Mark X around all taxi out there. Although you have few Beamer also, but I'm mostly on the resort side. So, it's not the name of the vehicle, but it's the value of the vehicle. And that the Highlander then have no value right now. You know how much you pay for it? How much years now? What I say, 30,000? Right now it never value 3,000. Take it as me tell you. Because if you ever go trade that somewhere in America, then we take it in because they want to sell you a new car and probably turn it in a scrap. But how much them going to give you for it? Better you keep it and buy the car where you see.
They're nice and pretty in a blood clot. It was 38,000 and then give it to me. We talk him down. That's how much I pay for it. Pussy clot cash. Not higher purchase. And someone out there buy $10,000 car and I put it in my higher purchase. I bought my cash. So I have the title for me.
But hold on. People buy $10,000 car and I put it on higher purchase. You could have afforded to buy that vehicle because you just get a partner draw. It's not like you work and you have money like that. It's a partner draw you get, you decide you want a vehicle, you're tired to walk or take bus or taxi. But now, Marcia, it's even less than vehicle you put on higher purchase. All food it coming like you put on higher purchase. Come on, sir? All food it look like your Marcia put on higher purchase. So what you talking about? What you talking about? You buy one like a cologne a higher purchase. You understand? Marcia, I better you really put car on higher purchase. Because I say all food, cologne, clothes you put on higher purchase. We done the on sale already. So now come out and talk about people that buy $10,000 car for higher purchase. True, at the time when you buy your car, you didn't just get partner money and could afford to buy it. Unless yourself broke. Because see how long you take for insure and license.
It's my bomb pussy blood clot vehicle. will come over here. Hold on the rock star. Hold on. I don't like. We can make
Content.
some money for a video. That's why we not play the music. We couldn't hear it in my ear. So me not get no let me don't get any something so me can make some money after it. Me not put to come spoil up my video.
So now you say you not live off of social media and YouTube. So what kind of money you talk about? Come out and come do anything you want to do. If you make money off of a video, you make it. If you don't make money, you just don't make it. You know, don't say you know come out and make money off of YouTube. And a YouTuber mind you. But remember, all the content we are creating now, you're not going to get paid for it this month and next month. Remember, you already this month pay bill already for last month. Remember, always in the back. So me no know you talk about how we are run race do. You check now go big this week same way. This month same. This week coming now go big same way. Remember, that check they already make up already. This way you do after next month. Or content creating like up the live. You want to make money off of this. Go ahead. You know when you come out you come chat big. That's why I tell you so now cap or now yapper.
Yes. So I can listen to music. It was on sale. And I got it for $120. Yes. Very good. My phone, everything nice and clean and clear.
When she buy that headphone there and come out and mag, I say what she buy that for? But me realize one, she want music in her ears because she can't afford to buy the equalizer for the van because she see too dear for buy. Two, what she want it to can do the karaoke. So when she in the house where she have a bail a squeak, that me I wonder too. You say you live life and you live lavish and in a big apartment and you can't even turn on your TV and turn it up to even 10. You can't even in your house do look exercise and I make nice. Nothing at all. So what kind of lavish you live more than me? Me can't go in my yard now and shout and make any amount of nice, cost any amount of cloth and no police can't come here to me. You saw Jamaica nice? Much as me in my house, my room, where me I pay for and can't private. So that simply mean if you're in there and all foot up on shoulder and dicky and reach you scream out too hard, police are gonna come. Come interrupt your dicky. It seems so. You not live no life, Marcia. You not live no life. So she run go buy this headphone because in the back of her mind, having this headphone, she can listen to the music and play her do a little karaoke as she do in that video here last night. And I jump up with some exercise I prove. When I come to this, and not even 1 minute or 2 minutes she depend. Yes man. I just me start the regular man. Yeah man, me headphone man. Yes man, I'm a play. Yeah man, I'm a play it off my phone. Yeah man, I'm a listening. I want a YouTuber here because that phone, the iPhone, I know man. The iPhone, I know, it's in farm, I know. And I blow like one dog, I run from top of the hill, come down and go back of the hill. And them, I say them fit and can run left people. And I size up with such woman in the exercise. And not even 2 minutes the song no play for and she out there got on with herself and I kick up her foot. And you see the little in shape something come in and you just imagine not seeing even the foot and just as if from the waist go up. Jesus, please, whoa. Whoa, it come like fisherman that see and him see what him buck up on one big fish we have never ever seen in life yet. And him get scared. Yes man, I saw me scared last night, boy. I tell you. We do man and I fling up foot and I go out with herself. No sir. Woman I blow shot. Take that look at 2 minutes. She a sing the karaoke song and I go on herself.
Karaoke.
And you talk about your fit on people. You not fit on nobody.
I am in my mate's quarter.
I bet our mate's quarter in a car to the furnish out.
And I'm in the mate's quarter. Let's see.
Better in a one car, it would have surely furnish out. You could have one could dress away, you could have go rest your phone pan and looking at the mirror. Instead of living in the kitchen and put on your clothes and eating in the kitchen and do everything in there.
Yes, my dear, me in the piece of bed. I comfortable to do. Me rotted. That the piece of bed.
Next year, February, she must drop 40 or 50 pounds. And for 2 weeks, she said she lose 13 pounds. For 2 weeks. We don't reach November yet. She gave herself February, March, she drop 40, 50 pounds, you know. Remember now, I could do the calculation. But week and other go 2 weeks ago, she said when she start run, she lose 13 pounds. And she lose that in like, call it say less than 2 weeks. Alright. And you tell yourself you have to lose 40, 50 pounds by now March, February, March. Call it say November, we not count the rest of the week in October. November, 4 weeks. 4 times 13 how much? A 52 that, you know. 4 cheese 12, 4 ones 4. 52 that. Alright, put it at 10 pounds a week. 40 pounds that. You can't take the whole of November for lose a 40 pounds there, you know. If you lose that 13 pounds so rapidly in 2 weeks when you were just a starter. Just imagine, now you're working and the muscles them working and you get into the groove now and I put in even more work. You want to tell me say you can't lose 20 a week? Plus you get the whole November for lose 10 pounds. Less than the 13 where you lose in 2 weeks. When you was just starting up. That you want December, January, February, March. Hey, I tell you now, when you're not talking lie and come out here and feel like say everybody out here idiot or everybody just a listen and a believe, you know. And then days and weeks after when I come back and chat something different and I realize the lie one of the tell a couple days and weeks ago. You say you lose 13 pounds in a 2 weeks where you start do the walking. Where you now walk from which part me live, you did now walk from here so to the next road. Or from the bottom of the road to the top of the road. And you lose 13 pounds in 2 weeks. But now you want to lose 40 in November, December, January, February, March in 5 months. When you do the math seminar, we now say 13 pounds a week, we have put it at 10. We have given the benefit of the doubt. So if you lose 4 pounds 4 weeks in a month, you know. So if you lose 10 pounds for the 4 weeks, check that. How much pound that you can lose. So why if you lose 13 in such a short time, you have yourself so long if you lose 40? You not to lie.
Me hear some of them, me pass by Dirty Ashanti 360. Because me see me know say me chat and me today, me have some spare time and me rush and me pass over there.
You don't have no spare time, man. You always have spare time. And I like you. Have spare time I go watch you, man. You always have watch also. But you still you come out and come cuss people say them front are great. Till you admit this more than one time. But you still before you did cuss people. Are your conscience beating or you jump up the day and say at least me find 2 on my front still already, you know, from me XYZ. I consider you cuss people before you come out and come admit. Bet your fear will never have grey. This wouldn't be what she has said. If fear will never have grey, she's saying this just in defense because fear front are grey. Grey hair, black hair, pink hair, white hair, dirt hair. Because probably every grey hair you have, you know, a dirt hair because you don't like to bathe. You understand? And you will say you carry nothing there. Or you find grey hair there. You will go on like you have so much proper hygiene. Or you find grey hair there. Because if you don't like shaver, if you don't like share the barber use, if you don't like near, fear, dear, or sear, there's so many things. You want to tell me say you're allergic to all of them? But at the same time, you could not allergic to all of them because right now, you claim to say you don't carry them, they're sitting there on you. So when you learn proper hygiene, because me say if you do the right thing, You wouldn't live for 6 gray hair. Because you don't keep yourself groomed. But because you just come out here, come talk, and show all kind of things where you rub on face and where you beard, you do much back like this, you rub on your body. I don't know where you have on your body. It's not the thing where you do in a real life. You just do it for the camera. And this is the thing we don't know. Most of what I want to do are for the camera, not in real life. That's why I'm telling you, say, me, real life. When you don't see me, real life, you know, see. Just, now I'm married, I'm tear up shorts, I'm like slippers a draw. Sometimes it's all dirty too. Because I don't have time for talk about you, me I run go up there, so I take cloth and wipe off. So I'm to when me there home, why me not wipe it off? But you me I go up there, so I wipe off. If me I go somewhere, me have to put myself together as a total different thing. But not just getting a call to meet somebody out there, sir. Me I go run, go talk about me, I wipe off slippers because it's dirty. See me so you see me. And when you see me around here, me tell you all the while, see me so you about me. Now when I feel like you go buck me up and you go see me, me as a man, if I could have do without wear clothes, me do without. Just look at tees and marina and shorts me like. Sometimes them all tear. Because I wear them so much. Because you know you have a set of clothes, as you wash them, you put them on back. Sometimes two of them always wear them the right on top of the bungle. So as you go and take up a one, you just take off 3 days and go and wash. I eat you put on back. I don't say you don't have clothes. Me have clothes to me can't give you with tag on it. Because me is not the person where Jesse. For no reason. You understand? Me investi. Not Jesse. Investi. Me no want to travel the road like where you travel Marcia. Jesse. Me want investi. I don't lie. They look for your friend in Florida. Look for your friend in Florida. How old they say she is. And the woman look like about half the age where you say she is. Comparing to you. Right now, I'm going to put an argument to that the woman there. I'm not hide and tell her. The one who got the budget party with her daughter. And hear me talk all the while. Woman look good. I don't know if she dolly down, but she look good. Be a non-relevant thing you talk about. Be a delusional thinking you have. Hear her. Hear her. I cut out that part there, you know. Hear her. She just don't do the karaoke. Hear how she a blow. Hear how the woman a blow like a hog. I don't pretend she a pretend, you know. I'm telling them you know when she a pretend. I don't pretend she a pretend. Real. You're not telling the truth, man. There's a lot of things you hide. Go ahead.
Nothing to be ashamed of. That's why a lot of women don't have children. A lot of women out there suffering. I had a DNC done. A DNC, we call ablations in 2010. Because if I never had that, I would be having heavy periods anyway. Because I've been having heavy period, I have no more than me. When I have no house, I don't care, I don't feel like say, one better than me.
So you see, this woman come on social media. We're not going to dwell too much on medical issues, as you don't hear me say them something with the sickness and them something there. But with she, anything goes right now. Yeah man, with she, anything goes. But you see how this woman come out here come make it look like she was a perfectly born person. And she come out here come discriminate, body shame and cuss people. And as the days goes along, there is so much things that reveal. Whether she reveal it or we find it out. Look upon her hand when we just recently find out. From up here so to here so. When we show now in the last video. You understand? Look up your son. Check it to them. Just lock your eye like an X-ray machine and tell yourself, say, you have vision seeing she out of clothes. Yes, sir. And put another visionary picture, yes, sir, with she in her clothes. And just look upon her. Just lock your eye in her, vision her. Just vision and look upon her like it's an X-ray machine she have got through. And this is the woman that come out here and body shame the people them. All them big and this, and all them Tara, and all them Dara. You might not huge, but you're big. And not only big and like big and shaped, because you have people with big and shaped it up. Yes, man, you have someone and them big and shaped it, man, look good. When you see them, you say, wow, me not love that size there, but would I work with that one day? Yes, man, wow. Moms, what? They get no man, huh? Yes. But now, like a Marcia now, everything fixed wrong. The baby them at China where I make the dolly them. The little plastic dolly them and this and plastic that I send come to Jamaica. You know? It's like she worse than some undetachable dollies what these kids are make. Where you might find one or two in the batch with the head gone around this or the foot gone around this or the body never frame out properly. You understand? Because most of these toys that you see coming from foreign, that's how they can pick them and make them from China, you know. And that's how they learn them to start get mobilized where, you know, having a skill and making money to be grow up to be an entrepreneur. Yes, man. Curly, stop walking body shame people. Leave that out tight. Leave people pitting the ass so out tight. Because the people are going to make you ball one of them days. Me no want to do it. Me no know who over here so want to do it, but me no want to live my life like you.
And free like a bird in the tree, like me. Don't talk to me. Una can't talk to me no dear. Some of them look.
Marcia, the life where me I live right now as a poor boy. Thank God for the little way I give me where I can find food. Because I remember the days when I couldn't find food, but at the same time I still do the same thing when I do now. Marcia, I drop asleep this morning about 4 o'clock. Because nights are cool because the whole of rain and things. So I just lie down on social media, do my morning video, and then lie down and watch some recreational channel as I tell you now. Because that is the time I get to do that. And I drop asleep about 4 o'clock this morning. And about 7 o'clock my phone alarm as usual. Where when you hear me say I take my little virgin son to school at morning time, I'm going to pick him up back at evening time. And I was back home by minutes to 8. Straight in my bed. And I never wake up back till 10 minutes to 2 because I'm school over 2 o'clock. So I say, alright. I always set my time 5-10 minutes before the time. And when me wake up Marcia and look out here, I say, boy, yes, the rain now fall. I say, thank you, Jesus, because I don't like go to the side of the world. Because water catch you there, so you want boat, ship, or yacht. I'm going to run, go film and come back, Marcia. I remember as I say, I go back to my house 8 o'clock. And I never wake up back until 10 minutes to 2. You can't do that. You can't do that. And will never do that. And this is what I do on a day-to-day basic. You see, tomorrow now, I'm not go to school tomorrow. It's when I go to my bed, go in my house, go lock up tonight, 8 o'clock, do look at social media work, watch some of my recreational channels them. And me drop asleep at 2-3 o'clock. Worse, me know me now wake up in the morning. At 2 o'clock tomorrow evening, Friday evening, when me go to my bed tonight, Thursday night, yeah, before me wake up. Marcia, them the life they talk about a life. I mean, I come out and come brag about them the life there. You can't afford to do that. Because you never set the foundation to do that. And the thing about my foundation I set to do that, what me I do now, or what me I do before I could have even set a foundation. So it just into me. Nothing not change. Money can't change me. Remember that. Me change money. Money not change me. Remember me tell you, money not change me.
Big front girl. Them just a no life. To buy a good food there and a good hair put on their head. Cause when they first come on social media, them look like them in a revival church. When they first come on YouTube, and my contents, them use the latest. Mr. She come at me pass over her page, she have boast so much pitney, how much gift she buy for her pitney dirty girl. You know, say, if I'm a chat and Tina chin. And then the rest of people, you couldn't afford for even buy a suck you dirty.
I only can't afford it. You hear her? You hear her? Let me pull up back right there, so. Cause you know might think I lie me, I tell me. Let me pull up right there, so. She couldn't even buy a suck give her dirty picnic. You understand? She not see me. Sure, Father God do. Hold on for my mouth now. Hold on for my mouth. I know my picnic she talk about, I feel it. And me no want really go get in a problem with YouTube. So Father God do. Hold on for my mouth. People, how old latest son is? I don't know. But I don't think this little boy reached 7-year-old. And you should style the young Miss son or dirty picnic. You can pull it up back from the ear. When you listen now, you know, can make sure you pull it up from the top, because me there talk at the top when she go call latest name. I don't want to say me, I say a latest, she say. When you listen.
Them just a no life. To buy a good food there and a good hair put on their head. Because when they first come on social media, them look like them in a revival church. When they first come on YouTube, and my contents, them use and build up them page. And they look big pussy ladies. Mr. She come at me pass over her page, she have boast so much pitney, how much gift she buy for her pitney dirty girl. You know, say, if I'm a chat and Tina chin. And then the rest of people, you couldn't afford for even buy a suck your dirty pitney. Not even a blood clot high cement you could buy for your birthday. So thank God, your blood clot of Marcia, we talk about. So you could have made big birthday party first in your bumper clot life. So when you over there chat me, make sure say, when me come to my wash, that my pussy clot, one of my foot my wash. You're lucky if you come lick out that blood clot, dirty bitch, dirty girl. You have to thank God me existed. So you could have get the car.
People, I really want some when I want.
So you could have keep, you could have get money from YouTube and money.
I don't really want some, I want some. I don't feel
comfortable. Okay, you can't go keep.
When I want some people, I really not feel comfortable saying it, but I want to say it. Because when I say no people, she not think about her grandson. When she come out here and deal with people pitting like this. But you know why I go hold back my mouth? It's not my child. That not mean say I don't want to say it because it hurts. But if you say because it's not my child, and I always say this, my life matters. So in any case, no matter what, me matters first. So you see to me know what problem me I go say can put my channel in a problem. Me nah go say it. Me nah go say it. I surely it is if she not hear this, she might hear this from my channel. If she not hear it already and address it. Or sure one of you over here who support her strongly, me not gonna be the one to call her and say it. I am not that type. Yes, I will call and I will probably text cause, you know, and say boy, reach out and say boy, check that video about something like this nature with her child. I don't know how she might take it. And we know latest is a person who is not that strong. And I don't want to feel guilty of me making she breaking down on live because me tell her. So me who did even tell her? She have to come over and come listen to live, yeah, or she get it already or hear it already or somebody send it to her. But me I leave she if address the matter. You understand? But people want to just understand. You see that dirty nasty woman here. You see when people come out here for she and her family, I hope no one not join her and becomes filthy like she And me attack straight across the board now. Because you have someone over here who is real supporters, but we all agree who is not into the... It's zero tolerance when it come on to kids. You understand? So when we come out here and still say certain things in the comment in defending against what I say or she say or him say about the child. But now, we realize we have to keep on a finger to ourselves. Even the thoughts of sorrying for this person because somebody say something about our grandpitney or our son. We have to throw that out now. This is not the first, this is not the second, this is not the third. This is something she have done consistently. She ever go below the belt whenever time she come under pressure. She known for this, to go below the belt when she come under pressure. Here she talk about all ear. She jealous of the young miss, you know. Because the young miss must say I do a little ear business, you know. She start talk about ear. Someone could even buy ear. No one can put on ear. Come go like a revival and go. And the woman little ear business she want come talk about. Sooner or later you go hear she talk about it. Not in this video, but sooner or later. Just give her a little time.
Birthday party for your blood clot jacket, pussy clot picnic for the first time. You're stinking.
Now must say you are the father, you never get it. So you know say the woman pick me a jacket. Are you are the father and you never get it?
Thank God Marcia was on the page. And you could have talked about me if you make YouTube. Thank God for YouTube. I want a blood clot life so I can't feed on a blood clot pitney. I mean, I have to feed my pitney well taken care of.
You don't have to feed him because him papa walk a thief and a fraud people. Him papa walk a fraud and a thief people. Plus you don't have to feed him. All of what you talk about, nobody knows about it. Plus, all of what you talk about, you is not a contributor to what you talk about, if it do happen. You are not a contributor to... Remember my birthday, not even that you could even go. You beg money for gas cigar, them little baby party. Eh? Can you imagine? Christmas, no reunion. New Year's, no New Year celebration to ring in the New Year. You and your family sit down in one church or somebody will say you're godly. You understand? You want ties, you want buy gift for Rome, you come on social media, come beg it. You can't afford nothing. Stop come out here, come talk about things that you have no proof of. Rome just born one day. Come out here, come show with proof of and evidence of what you contribute. Because you can't come send a camera never in them time there and where a camera in now, everything in now. Come out here, come show the public the proof of you contributing towards Rome's life since he's born. Swimming pool and all these things, where are your evidence? You think people are carry them private and personal life come out and come dash out on social media like you? People dash out what can afford to dash out. My private life and my private life. Me not run family channel. If me run, you want to see a family channel, you gotta check the Carters them. You understand? If you want to see family channel. Where you say Romeo play golf? Did you not rewind that? Because I don't think me here right. I don't think me here right. I don't rewind that. I like to say Romeo play golf or train to play golf. Romeo how old? I'm jealous because you can't afford to give your grand picnic. That's why you come out here add the woman in a way your video where you do because it wasn't planned as what you were saying. But you have it in your intention to do it long time. You buy that toothpaste since week. Say it recommended. Where did I use before? Where did I use before? How much years did I use $5 toothpaste? Eh? You celebrate the wrong things. You are celebrating the wrong things.
Then I hold them and people out there both that money look so.
You do ever start using $25 toothpaste so you talk about here. And you use $5 how much years, but now you put down $5 toothpaste.
Don't you get the way I call by you? Let me see one on the look. Come test me. Let me see one on the look. The one that we call me a cuss on social media. And you big so what the girl we have a call like what? You get a rant.
Marcia, I gotta beg you to do something for me. Please and thanks. Please. Please, Marcia. Marcia, can I ask you to do something for me, please? It's nothing big, Marcia. And it's nothing that's going to cost you, Marcia. Please, I'm asking you, Marcia, please to do something for me. I am asking you to put on one of those knee tights. You know, the tights that stop at your knee and come up. I want you to draw it up on your belly, where the one where you can draw up on your belly. Because I don't really want you to show your belly skin. It's too pretty, Marcia. It's too pretty, Marcia. I don't want you to show your belly skin, Marcia. But draw it up on your belly. And just wear a little small blouse. We can hold in your pillar them. We can hold in your pillar them. But I don't want the blouse to cover down your belly and your hip size. Just like a little crop top business, yeah. And come out here, Marcia, and let us see you, Marcia. Show all these people that you are body shaming, Marcia. Your wonderful look, Marcia. And why I choose these clothes is skin fit clothes. So basically it is actually showing up you if you would be like you're naked. So that's why I choose these clothes, skin fit clothes. So a little crop top that where I hold up your pillar them, because I don't want your pillar them exposed, so you say YouTube take for your channel or whatsoever. And one of those knee length tights, so stop above your knee and draw up on your belly. And come out here, Marcia, come prove to them like a big how good you look. Come show them, my girl, so you look good. Eh? Magla girl make you bun them. And you make them not look like you then. Because I say, Magla girl make you bun. Yes, man. Come out here, Marcia, may I beg you that. Please, Marcia, I'm asking you that just one little favor. It's not going to cost you $1. Alright, Marcia? Do that for me before the week is out. When social media done pop up, signal must gone. YouTube signal must gone. You hear your friend always talk about website crash. If you ever come out here in one of them the video then, as what me I tell you, YouTube must crash like how your friend website always a crash. Because the amount of laugh. Hey boy, babe, stop her up for me now.
Our main face. So you, stinking moly blood clot pussy man can't chat to me in no time. You can't chat to me no time. Let me get back to my singing. But just remember if you cuss out our blood clot and make a statement there. Let's turn over the phone.
And the woman always see a cuss over Ashanti program, you know. If the woman and her come out from social media, whether the woman huge or what, I know that woman is supposed to be better, Marcia. I not high.
If you can't go to a restaurant and buy food 7 days a week, no blood clot chat to me.
I like that. What kind of food? What value food? Your food value same thing $80 every day?
Don't talk to me. If you not carry US dollar in your bank account, don't blood clot chat to me. Alright.
So hold on. So, such a person live in America. Now US dollar go in our bank account. Me have US account. And me have US in my account. So me can chat to you. Alright. Me can chat to Marcia. Hey, your woman over there Shanti, love Marcia alone. Love Marcia alone because you don't have US dollar in your account, you know. Marcia say you have to have US dollar account to qualify. To chat to her. So leave me, make me chat to her. So if you want me reach out for you, just link me up and make me reach out and pass on your message. You are not qualified because you don't have no US account. Me have US account. I mean I only have the account. Me have money in the account. Marcia might have the account but no money no in there. Go see I look with $5 or so I hold up the book feet no diamond. But you come out here boss. You boss about some things when me I tell you. Me have to wonder, Marcia. You boss about the less important things. And the important things where the people them are talk about in a social media where you're concerned. You not address that. You not fix that. You need to fix the real things where the people them are point out in a social media. Them they have to address and fix. And stop talking about things when not important. Come in. The bag of orange she have, you know. You're not it. I told me not catch up out there. Ratty the orange, them a spoil. But no, she talk about if you do have a bag of Florida orange, don't talk to her. Everything in the fridge is spoiled. From she move, let she buy them. When you see she cook, she just buy them for the camera. See all the orange them are spoiled. You don't have time to pull them out. Anytime you pull out them, they in the fridge or in the rubbish, them have to go. Spoil and frostbitten. If you ever heat them, they are too mean. So when I say she do the wrong things to suit social media and the right things to suit herself and suit social media, she not do it. Because as social media you not furnish your place where you can have your own comfort. But everything else you do otherwise to suit social media when not relevant. Jugs yourself, yeah, can be all packed down furniture where them type of people that turn out. Some top of the line look furniture what I've seen where people turn out, we do the same thing what you talk about. What this and kill this woman like you karate. You can't get no better, you can't change at your age, you can't change again. That will never happen, Marcia. You can't come out and come fool nobody. That will never happen. Hey. Lord God. You need to see a psychiatrist. You're mentally disturbed. They you know say you have it all. Money come first, school come first at your age where you're supposed to live comfortable. Eh? All the way you talk about. All the way you talk about how you should have at this stage of your life. People, we come to the end of another video, you know. All the way this woman here talk about how she should have at this stage of her life. Money, going to school, learn what she did want to learn, and whatsoever. And the things now what she don't want, are what she's supposed to have a look now and did supposed to even have to already. So she can be comfortable. So this woman coming like a beginner. At her age, she's like a beginner. And look at the age where she wants to start over when she have the opportunity to do that long time. Speak my mind. Thanks for watching Speak My Mind family. Best upon yourself. Want to know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Go subscribe if you don't subscribe as yet. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. The cash up down the pin, $ Charms and Trends. And please go check out Charms and Trends and support them. Charmed _and_ Trends on Instagram. Drop in the DM. Very good customer service. The website is charmedandtrends.shop. Bless upon yourself. Support yourself.